Behold the awesomeness of the prize you could win today. Behold how it make you 3 foot taller. 2 miles per hour faster. Automatically makes you 20% more handsome. Allows you to find money down the back of sofas. Make sure that every single time that you wipe your butt it's clean. That's right. Will the Emperor smile upon you and give you one of the most sweetest gifts ever. Now, some of those things that I said previously might not be true, so you have to wipe twice. Not 1, not 2, but 3 issues of Warhammer Conquest. We will also throw in this base. Not for $1, not for $2, but for 300 bitcoins. Spekd waiting to do this for ages, and it's finally here. This is the 500 giveaway of the repulsor tank, the Warhammer Conquest issues number 75, 76, 77, and a base. So as you can see, give me the Warhammer Titan. I have all your names for those that enter the competition. Some of you found the actual secret videos, which actually requested, or actually gave you an extra chance to win, as you can see there. But over here, I must say, there were some shout out videos, and I absolutely cracked up when I watched Kaiju Shorts one. I must have watched about 4 or 5 times. I've numbered everybody here with all their chances, 1 to 100. But what I've decided is, seeing that I haven't got 95 to 100, is just to add an extra item for roll 95 to 100. Okay, I'll add an extra item in for the winner. Now it's percentile dice. Blood Angels is 10. Grey Necrons is going to be units. And I want to roll this now. So this is the first roll, so you can see no scamming, no weirdness. I wish you all good luck. Thank you all for entering. It's been absolutely fun, and I hope that this gives you some form of entertainment. One thing I will point out before I do this, blah 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 blah, no, is everybody here on this list has maybe some sort of channel, or they've made comments which have been really cool, and I've either been watching the comments or joined your channel and watch what you do. So take the time to have a look in the 500 giveaway video and just click some of the people's names, and if they've got a channel, go have a look. Maybe even subscribe if you like the content. I do like the content, and that's the reason why I'm there. And it was even good to see that Ghost has actually started doing battle reports. And I thought that was great, especially for a time like this. So without further ado, no adjudicator today. In fact, wait a second. Let me just call her in. Hold on, one second. Okay, the adjudicator is ready to roll. She's here in my hands. Here's a dice roll. Remember, reds is 10s, so we have 47. And right there, Justin Winterbottom. There you go. You have just won yourself. Thank you very much. These 3 issues and a base. So all you have to do is send me an email to my Gmail, and you'll get to pick those up. Congratulations and well done. There we go. Oh, I'm not too sure how I'm going to get this to you just yet with everything in place, but I will figure something out, okay? Either way, if you didn't win, don't stress out. When we hit the 1K, we have something more going on. So I strongly suggest you invite your friends, get them to subscribe, maybe even, you know, use your secondary account to subscribe to the channel. See what happens, because that bonus item is still available. Alright, this has been Spekd. I've enjoyed my time. I hope you've enjoyed your time, and thank you all. Thank you for the support. Community videos will be coming up because I need to showcase your guys' stuff because it's absolutely awesome. This has been Spekd. As always, I've enjoyed my time. Hope you've enjoyed yours. And PC out. Get your prize, dude. Get your prize. If you don't claim it soon, you're gonna lose it. Get your prize and someone else will get it. Get your prize. Yeah.